Oh, dang, dude, it's 5 a.m. I think it's time to go to sleep.
Yes.
Pillow.
Tired.
Good night.
Justin. Oh, what the heck is happening? Justin! I need your help! I'm gonna die because of this weird green monster ball thing! I gotta get out of here! I slipped. Okay, I think I should be safe out here. Oh man, there he is! Oh no! Oh no! I thought I lost him earlier. Oh shoot. Oh great.
What is that?
Oh god! He's yelling at me. He's kicking things. Oh man! Uh-oh. Oh no. You need to find some way to defeat this thing. Oh, I know what I can do. Here. Can't catch me! Oh shoot. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lead him into the trampoline right now, man. This guy's gonna die. Oh shoot. Oh man. What? Justin? Hello? Justin!
What the heck? What is this?
There's something. I don't know. What the heck are you doing, like, haunting me?
What?
You were chasing me!
I just woke up.
Wait, what?
I told you last night that I sleepwalk.
Oh. Wait, so was it bad that I just woke you up?
No.
Because isn't it bad to wake up someone that's sleepwalking?
How?
I don't know, I've heard it somewhere.
Okay. See us in the next episode and subscribe. In the next one. Uh-oh.
Ahem. Behind the scenes.
Hero of the bed.
Yeah, Ryan's